Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well guys, listen, if you're following the market, let me just throw up a SPY chart, okay? And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. If you're not following the market, then maybe you didn't know what happened. But anyway, yesterday afternoon, after FOMC and the minutes, etc., the market just absolutely ripped higher. Actually, the Dow was up, I think, 900 points, etc. Held in the after hours as that purple area, mauve area. Not bad in the pre-market, I mean, it was down. And then the market just absolutely started to sell off relentlessly, just absolutely relentlessly. This is what makes BTTX, just a great trade. I mean, it literally, I'm not saying it wasn't choppy a little bit, but in the face of a sell-off market, and the selling was indiscriminate. Really didn't matter what sector, even the energy sector, even though oil was up overnight and in the morning, energy wasn't safe. Everything was just being sold off. So, the BTTX definitely, in the face of the market, I don't even think there was any specific news on it. But what made the trade great is that this is what you call an alpha stock. I mean, didn't care really what the market was doing. I'm not saying it was easy because you have these topping tails and bottoming tails and all, but this was an AI alert at 264. There was the alert. There's the stop at 235. More importantly, though, if you look at a daily chart, maybe you have to look at let's look at a weekly chart. Yeah, look at a weekly chart right here. So you can see the next high on that weekly chart was 279, so it's above that high. And then next, I'm not saying it's going to get there, but 510. So again, in the face of this market, that is a remarkable day for this little company. Again, it's a little bio, so you got to be careful. But over 3, I was mentioning in the room, I think I have my alert set around 314. If it takes that out, I'm not saying I'm absolutely going to pile into the trade, but it makes, because actually if I look at a daily chart, I think even the daily chart shows that high. Yes, so look, this is what I'm talking about. There's the daily chart, so it's not just the weekly, but the next high, looking left, is $5. So, I mean, that's a remarkable green candle based on what the SPY was doing today. And it's not like we can say, normally we can say, well, some, these little ones, they don't really care what the market's doing. I didn't see too many like this today. So the AI certainly found it and turned into a great percentage trade for the AI. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the room, so shut this down. Any questions for me? This is the email address you can use. In the email you're getting, you will see that we do have a promo code for 25% off. So you can click on that, get 25% off. And also the test drive, which starts on the 16th, May the 16th. It's fast approaching. You can sign up for that. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Have a great evening, everybody. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.